All right. Got like 2 days off. It is Monday, 7 p.m. It is fall. Gets dark a little bit faster, and I'm not sure if they're gonna do the fall back this year or not. All right, let's get in the car and put in a couple of hours, see what's going on, huh? Bust that, bozo! Haha!
Ladies, may we get a word?
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
All right. After declining that order, we got a 7-Eleven order. This one's just okay. Yeah. Mediocre order. I think is, I don't know, 7 for 3 miles or something. All right, let's go pick up some 7-Eleven, fam. Let's go.
And make a right turn on West Oxford.
All right, almost at 7-Eleven. This one's pretty close to my house. Yeah, I haven't uploaded a 10-minute video for like a week now, so let's do.
Make a right turn on West Oxford.
Yeah, first order is way off. Well, not way off, but
Just
it's
make a slight left turn to stay on mobile home.
2 blocks away. It's at an RV park, but it's taking me across the street. So, what the fuck was that? Uber? I mean, with the GPS. Yeah, it's supposed to be an RV park, and then, but we figured it out. You know. It's my first delivery of the day anyway, so
Make a slight left turn
I
to
think if I read the address, I could have figured it out that it was going to be on the south side of Hampden Avenue, not on the north side. But it's all good. All right, on the way for a double stack at What the Fuck, fam. Let's go. Yeah, that 7-Eleven order should have taken only like 3 minutes or 2 minutes from the 7-Eleven to the trailer park, but due to the GPS pointing me to the wrong giving me bad direction, it took me like, I don't know, 10 minutes instead. But we do have a good double stack lined up. Let's go. All right. Heading towards What the Fuck, fam. Fun fact, I used to work at What the Fuck in Dayton, Ohio. But this is What the Fuck, Denver.
make a right turn.
Yes, sir. Let's hope it's ready. Pho is usually fast, but depending on what they order. If they get pho, it's fast, but if they got some, you know, stuff that's being grilled or deep fried, that takes a little bit longer. All right, let's go inside, fam. All right. Dropping up cornies. All right. Here to the next one. 11 minutes, 5.2 for Caroline. Let's go. All right, at our second house, fam. Not working much today, so try to stretch this video out. I was gonna do a sit down video, but yeah, just been busy with some other stuff, you know. Yeah. It's nice Monday. I'm not sure if the Broncos playing today. Broncos not doing too well this year. Maybe next year then, huh? All right, after 5 minutes of no action, we got a pretty good one item shopping order at Walgreens. Let's go. All right, just one item. Let's go. Haven't looked at the item yet. Let's see where it is, huh? That should be easy. All right. Looks like that's the one. All right, check this out. Is it a COVID test? Or is it a, I don't know. It's a COVID test, but it's a Miat door. We'll see how it goes. All right, so the last one, I just texted him I'll leave at the front door, and he was just sitting there watching TV. Next up, we got our Frescas. It's like 1 block away from the last drop off.
Make a right turn.
Fresas, Mexican ice cream. All right, but not a good order, fam. It's been banging so far. Well, except for the first order, but yeah, the last 3's been banging, fam. It's right next to my house too. Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, all right. Almost out to the customer's house, fam. All right. After like 10 minutes of declining clowns, we got a good one. Wingstop, $10 for 1 mile. Yes, sir. And so far, the best order tonight was this one, fam. Double stack, 25.43, 37 minutes, 6 miles. Total tip was 20. Pretty good to me. Highlight of the night so far. This one is 10 for 1 at Wingstop. Let's go. Last one was a super quick delivery, fam. Even though I had to wait like 4 minutes at Wingstop, the whole thing probably took like 10 minutes. He lived like 6 blocks away from Wingstop. Let's hope the tips come through, huh? All right. And it is Monday Night Football with the Broncos and the Chargers. I didn't even realize that. It's an away game, Broncos and Chargers. All right. 11 for 2 miles, fam. 8:52. I made it inside the lobby. Good thing they don't close the lobby like at 7 p.m., huh? So, winning. Lucky day today. All right, let's go deliver some Taco Bell, fam. All right, this one's gonna be a handoff, so love handoffs, baby. Yes, sir. I usually call when I'm 2 minutes away, but I didn't do it today. It's all good. Next up, we got double stack at Wingstop, and it was ready. All right, let's get going. And I think the game went into overtime. Not sure what the score is. So I didn't even realize they're playing today. All right, let's go deliver these Wingstop, fam. Let's go. All right, fam. After dropping off this double stack, it's gonna be my last one tonight. Keep you guys posted with all the earnings in 2 hours. Gotta do some errands tomorrow, so gonna close it out early tonight. Thanks for watching, fam. All right, just dropped off the last order for tonight. It is 10:04 p.m. Broncos lost, by the way, in overtime. They're not doing too well this year. So with the last few orders still pending, last 3 orders pending, we're at 86 in 3 hours 25 minutes. So we might get like 95 in 3.5 hours. It's pretty good, fam. Monday night, I think there was some boost and some very good tips. Still got all the tips that came in, huh? See, first one was all right, you know, good way to start out the day. Second one was banging, fam. Look at that. Second one was banging. That one's not too shabby. 1336, 1 item shopping order. This one was good. Yeah, pretty good night for a Monday night with the Broncos game, but too bad we lost, you know, and keep you guys posted in 2 hours, huh? Thanks for watching, fam. All right, fam, all the earnings have come in, come out to be 94 in 3 hours 25 minutes, and only drove 40 miles, so not too shabby. That's like $28 per hour. Not too shabby, fam. Thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.